Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday we haven't got any significant events, so it was minor revision of the gross domestic product, final revision, which makes actually no impact on the markets. Speaking about the debates, Trump and Joe Biden, I wouldn't call it as a debate at all. So it's just look like the arguing of the deaf with the blind. So actually they just repeating the same mantras that they talked on these public meetings. It's actually was not actually the debates. Debates usually when you're discussing some particular subject and topic, and candidates are talking about their own programs of the solution on this particular problem or topic. But here we just see how they put down each other, and actually just remind me, those of you who were watching the Muppet shows, you know, the two old men on the balcony. So approximately so it's the same. So as you can see, it's also bring no impact in the market, and actually I think that haven't brought any clarity in the minds of the electorates, so in mind of the citizens who intend to vote for these candidates. Very curious really meeting. So as a result, you could see that the market mostly stands at the same points. We have said everything about the weakness, possible breakout and so on, and since market right now stands in the same consolidation, we will not talk about the bearish position. It's mostly we need some more action here. Maybe on the personal consumption expenditures we will get something, but right now I would like to talk about the second scenario. If you remember, we said that currently bullish context with this grabber that we have is hard breathing, but it's still nominally still valid, so it has not been erased totally. And if you still would like to take the part in this trade by some reasons, maybe you would like to bet on the fundamental report, some data releases, or you have some your own personal reasons to take the long position, we call you to wait at least for the clear bullish pattern that could save a lot of money and that lets you to place very tight stops in the current circumstances. And currently I would like to discuss particularly this moment. So on the daily chart we have nothing interesting, but if you take a look at the full time frame chart, market still stands inside of the triangle as we talked, but recently here bullish grabber has been formed. You could see it not only on euro currency on the spot market or retail broker chart, but if you take a look at the futures chart and the full time frame chart, you also could see the grabber has been formed. And right now with this candle, it also might be formed another one. Now if you drop your time frame even more, yesterday we talked about the potential hand shoulders. Now it taking clearer shape. So you can see we have shoulder, head, upside action, upside reversal swing. So take a look at this swing up is greater than swing down. This is positive sign. And 618 retracement that usually happens after the reversal swings. So market right now stands at this minor intraday support, this 106.88, completing the right arm bottom. This is the particular point where you could make the decision. Stop placement might be different, so you could start thinking about placement below this area. In this case it will be approximately just above the 25 pips. As I said, 25-30 pips is the maximum that you we could risk in this kind of the trades, and currently you could see that's particular this risk, but you could even tide it more, so placing stop slightly below this area, somewhere in between on the head and shoulder, because market grabbers invalidation point stands also right there. So market stands in such a situation that bulls either have to start moving price higher, or if market start dropping right there, it means that all this construction probably will fail and market will collapse. So this is, let's call it as a stop by theory. So theoretically, when you deal with hand shoulders, usually place it below the head. But this is some kind of the compromise if you do not want to risk for 25-30 pips, you'd like to take small risk. This is theoretically also an area that you could think about. It's just approximately 15 pips right there, including this bid-ask spread right here. But probably that's also might be enough for dealing with this current situation. That's actually all that I would like to say currently, because to be honest, we do not have something really special right now. Mostly market stands in the tight range. We need some getting on a free space to start setting more extended targets in a particular direction. But until it stands in the consolidation, we could discuss only the patterns and minor stops that are forming on all our time frames. So let's wait for consumption expenditures numbers and see what will happen with this current setup that market is trying to form.